Morning. So this is how we start our early mornings with a green smoothie. So in goes some palak leaf, a betel leaf from our garden, peppermint leaves from our garden. Then we have Brahmi leaf from our garden. This is turmeric leaf, ginger leaf, and dill leaf from outside. And then we put in a pinch of cinnamon, turmeric, black pepper, and everything goes, and a lemon to give a tangy tinge, and everything goes into the mixing jar. In 5 minutes, I will
And
show you.
palak has been put into the warm water, right?
Yes, lukewarm water.
Lukewarm water to get rid of all the pests. What is that water? Methi.
Methi soaked water.
Okay.
Methi and kalaunji soaked water.
Okay.
So, tan, our green smoothie is ready. Very refreshing. Got a peppermint leaf. Really lifts up your mood in the morning.
Peppermint, turmeric, ginger, all tastes are coming separate.